Hi Neighborlights, in today's video, we are going to learn how to factorize quadratic expressions using Mr. Cheng's method, which is my method. So now let's take a look at example 1. Now, when you see a quadratic equation, the first thing you do is you take the coefficient of x squared, which is 4, and multiply by the constant term. So I have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 will give you 12. At the side, you have to write out and find out all the factors of 12. So for 12, I have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and I have 3 times 4. So these are the 6 factors of 12. My objective is to find the pair of factors that will give me minus 13. So let's check. Can 1 and 12 give you 13? Yes, we can, right? Minus 1 minus 12. Can 2 and 6 give you minus 13? Cannot. Can 3 and 4 gives you minus 13? Cannot. So the pair of factors we have to choose is 1 and 12. Now, so the next step is to split up the minus 13x into a combination of 1 and 12. So I have 4x squared minus x minus 12x plus 3. Take note that minus x minus 12x still gives you minus 13x. Therefore, these two expressions, they are equal. Now, once I split them up, I have to factorize them by grouping. So let's take a look at these two terms first. What is the common factor between these two terms? It is x. Take out x, I have 4x minus 1. These two terms, the common term is 3. But before we do that, we have to copy down the sign first. So I have minus sign here, and I take out common factor 3. Take out common factor 3, I have 4x minus 1. Now you might ask me, why is this minus? You try expanding back. Minus 3 times 4x give you minus 12x. Minus 3 times minus 1 gives you positive 3. An easy way to check whether you are correct or not is that these two terms here, they are the same. Can you see that they are both 4x minus 1? After this step, we identify that 4x minus 1 is the same. So we will factorize out 4x minus 1. And I am left with x minus 3. And we have finished factorizing 4x squared minus 13x plus 3. Now, take out a piece of pen and paper and try to factorize this question here. Hit the pause button and check your answer after you have done your practice. Now, check your answer. Do you get the same answer as I do? I hope that you will be more clearer in factorizing quadratic expressions now. Thank you.